Here's some things I wouldn't do if I was just getting started on Pinterest. Now, before we get started, I'm Press Rogers, and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses like yours. So the first thing I wouldn't do, I wouldn't just jump straight into the pinning. I know that's what most people want to do because obviously that's like part of the marketing. But before you jump straight into the pinning, you want to make sure you actually optimize your account. So this means doing your keyword research, setting up your profile, adding your keywords where necessary, creating your 10 to 15 boards, all that good stuff. Second thing I wouldn't do, I wouldn't link my pins to my social media accounts. So I wouldn't send pins to TikTok, to Instagram. I wouldn't do that. Why? Because Pinterest is going to prioritize pins that you send to your websites that you can claim. So that can be like your Shopify store, that can be like your actual website, but it's not going to really prioritize pins you send to another social media platform or to a social media platform because Pinterest isn't technically social media. And the third thing I wouldn't do is that I would not pin sporadically, meaning I would be consistent. So sometimes I see people, they say like they pin Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Kind of like they will post a post on social media. Don't do that. This is Pinterest. It's a search engine. Treat it as such and know that you need to be consistent and have a pin going out every single day. So if you have any questions about Pinterest marketing, let me know. I'll be happy to help.